Hello, I'm Sitong. Today I'm gonna share you about how robotics program is going. They can learn about teamwork, they have fun. In the class, they need to sing all the time. Think and do, think and do. I am very happy because I got to know a lot of new things, such as I got to know clearly about what Lego machine is and what Lego robotic is.
One, two, boy, be, bay.
Today it was a very special day. They could test what they learned the day before with gears and engines directly into the rubber. They were so surprised. And later, when they did just a very small programmation, just little code, but it worked. And they just had to turn the light on and off and change the color, and it was really amazing because some of them were so happy, just clapping their hands all the time, and some girls and boys, both of them, they couldn't imagine they had done this before, but they could. They're encouraged for tomorrow to keep going, and let's see how we do it. So we'll see tomorrow.